Hi. Today we're going to talk about comparative analysis. So let's say that you have a list of potential investments and you want to evaluate the performance of two hypothetical portfolios. You aren't sure which investments will do better and you want to compare them. In the default click view behavior, selecting a series of investments would create a chart where each investment was a separate line. While this is useful for comparing individual investments to one another, what you're trying to do is compare the collective performance of these investments against the collective performance of an alternate portfolio. In comes comparative analysis. With comparative analysis, you can create separate groups of investments that will operate independently of one another. This means that you can choose an investment in one list and it won't affect the other list. This allows you to customize two separate portfolios by selecting whichever investment you want to make up portfolio A and whichever investments you want to make up portfolio B. We can overlap our selections or make up two totally different portfolios. Now let's try this in ClickView. So here we have two lists of investments. ClickView is currently charting the collective performance of all stocks in each group. So I'll select the top 4 for Group A. But for Group B, I'll just select Apple. Both groups now include Apple stock, but we can see that the net performance of Group A is less successful than the performance of Apple just on its own. ClickView's comparative analysis is a quick and effective way to compare multiple groups of things at the same time to see their similarities and their differences. It makes exploring your data easier.